Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Today, let's have a quick look at the current numbers of drone pilots and registered drones in Canada. Let's get into it. Transport Canada publishes the number of RPAS pilot certifications and drone registrations in their DroneZone newsletter. If you'd like to subscribe to that, there's a link in the description below. Let's start with basic pilot certifications. In this graph, you can see the number of basic pilots from January 2019 through till April of 2022, with nearly 68,000 certified pilots now. For the advanced certification, we can see there are currently about 7,500 advanced pilots. Putting these graphs together shows that roughly 1 in 9 drone pilots has achieved their advanced certification, which is pretty cool. Now, that said, this perspective is double counting a lot of folks, since most people get their basic before proceeding to the advanced. Assuming, say, 90% of us followed this path, this purple line shows an estimate of the number of actual pilots, almost 69,000 as of the end of April 2022, with a gradual tapering off over time. This dashed line shows the number of new pilots per month, dropping from 2,400 in 2020 down to about 1,000 per month this year. But why would this rate be decreasing as drones appear to be increasing in popularity? Maybe we're just reaching a saturation point where most people are already certified and the numbers, well, they're just naturally increasing as new pilots enter the market. It's probably partly that, but also the fact that sub 250 gram drones like the DJI Mini 2 or Mini 3 have become so much more capable, well, in terms of flyability and definitely their cameras, all without requiring pilot certification. Sure, they may be a gateway drone to bigger and better drones, but there are certainly thousands of people who want to try droning and are perfectly happy with these small drones without all the hassle of the regulations. The most concerning possibility, however, is that people are actually flying larger drones, but are simply not bothering to become certified, perhaps due to the perception that the regulations are overboard and the exams themselves are disconnected from the reality of flying drones. I hope that's not the case, but the Drone Pilot Association of Canada is tackling this concern. We represent recreational and light commercial drone pilots and are planning to offer improvement suggestions to Transport Canada, both for the regulations and the exams. Back to the stats. Let's finish off with drone registration numbers. Here we can see that there are nearly 68,000 drones registered in Canada, which of course sounds like a lot, but it's actually less than the number of pilots, even if you count only the basic guys. That seems weird to me. And again, we can see a dramatic reduction in the rate of registrations from about 2,000 per month, roughly, in 2019 and 2020 to only 579 per month in 2022. My suspicion, again, is that the reduction is due to the popularity of the sub 250 gram drones, largely satisfying a big part of the droning community. They don't need to be registered, and you don't need a pilot certificate. Well, there you have it. Some interesting numbers about drone pilot certifications and drone registrations. Now, I mentioned the Drone Pilot Association of Canada, or DPAC. If you haven't already done so, I would strongly encourage you to visit the DPAC website at dronepilotassociationofcanada.com and sign up. Your support is crucial to ensure we have a strong mandate and unified voice that Transport Canada will recognize and respect as we bring our improvement suggestions to the table. Thanks for watching. Safe and happy flying.